So we got another one of these. We love these lights so much. You can see the one in the wall right there. You can mount these on a wall, you can mount them on a ceiling. They're so bright, they look so good, and it will change the way your environment is. In the garage, or if you're a content creator, they make great video lights too. They're super easy to put together. We got these. These are the LED light bars right here, and then you have a connector. So you got 25 of these bars. They're all the same all around. You got a bunch of these connectors. This is a Y connector that connects 1, 2, 3 bars together with a mounting point right there. Then you got the V connectors right here that connects 2 of them together and a mounting point right there. So you kind of put the pieces together. You got the V, the Y, the V, the V, the V, the Y, and you can see how they come together. And over here, this is where you connect it to power. So basically, instead of a V, it's a Y, and the power inlet is right there, and it connects to your 120 outlet just like that. Super simple. They are pretty lightweight, so you can move them around. You can put them on a ceiling, then screw them on, and they're not too heavy, so you don't have to worry about super beefy installation. You just have light screws, anchor them well, and you're good to go. These are the Hex lights. Once you start, you might never get enough of these. We keep getting more and more and more, and they are awesome. Oh yeah.